Welcome to the Coin Post. Crypto fear and greed index is recovering, which means that people have a new appetite for altcoins. Today we're looking at the compilation of top coins. We'll find out if they survived the current correction, review the latest news, and discuss whether to buy these coins now, expecting further growth. I'll tell you right away that it's impossible to cover all the coins in one video, but you can hit the like button right now if you want another video like this. Let's get going! We're gonna start with Bitcoin, as I don't think I should tell anyone that if it doesn't keep rising, nothing good will come out of altcoins. The price is around $40,000 now. The 4-hour chart shows an incipient rising trend, and the price is fighting for key resistance. An hourly chart has a symmetric triangle that will boost the price up to 42,500 just to the next resistance when breaking through the upper limit. But there's also another bull scenario with testing the trend line and then the price going higher. Will this movement be enough to bring the market back to growth? Everyone has to do their own analysis. Everything I say in this video is not financial advice. Personally, I will consider the current market as bull after rising above 50,000 and confirming this level. You may, of course, have a completely different point of view. I would point out that the news background is largely neutral. On the one hand, there is massive support from MicroStrategy, as they've already issued bonds for $500 million to buy Bitcoin. And they also announced plans to sell their $1 billion stock, hinting that the money could also be invested into the first cryptocurrency. On the other hand, we have FUD from the authorities, like persecutions against miners and claims to Bitcoin as a means of payment and so on. Alright, now on to the altcoins. Do they have the potential to rise? The website called ALTSEASON Index shows that it's high time to make a profit on other cryptocurrencies. Is it really so? Let's first look at Ethereum. The commission fees have become not only good, but many times lower than they were recently, even lower than Bitcoin's. Everyone is expecting barely an upgrade to take place this summer and make Ethereum more scarce. The coin will continue to be issued and will remain indefinite in the long run, but the upgrade will still be activated and it's gonna burn part of the commission fees. Miners are not gonna like this, as they are actually losing money, but their attempted riots led nowhere, and so soon the market offer of Ethereum will decrease, which should contribute to the price increase. Although Ethereum's technology lags behind other blockchain platforms, 25% of all the coins are blocked in smart contracts. That is, the coin actually works, and building a decentralized economy on its basis is underway. Analysts predict different Ethereum prices. All agree that the price will return to 4,000 as soon as Bitcoin surges, so it could be 6,000 to 10,000 per coin very soon. Next, we're gonna take coins in pairs to cover as many as possible. First, we have Cardano and Solana. There's an upward trend, with Cardano gradually recovering after the May correction. Solana too is still in the upward trend. For some time it was rising faster than the market, trying to return to its previous high. In fact, these are the closest competitors for Ethereum, as both projects have great support and are developing rapidly. There are different opinions about Cardano now, so the Altcoin Daily calls it one of the best crypto assets of the year. Their top 3 are Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Cardano. While the founder of Galaxy Digital, Mike Novogratz, calls this cryptocurrency a weird cult. But I mean, that's what Novogratz said, not me. So if you feel like giving a dislike, it's for him. This video definitely deserves a like, cause it won't be long before we get a complete Cardano blockchain with working smart contracts. It'll happen around the end of the summer, and the first smart contract has already been launched on the test network. As for Solana, it could beat other blockchain platforms on transaction processing speed and low commission fees. It already has 188 projects and will get new ones too. They only have to convert these developments into the user's demand, which they have great chances for. The project has recently raised $314 million for the development of its own ecosystem. And next we have 4 more altcoins, but we can look at other coins too. All you have to do is share in the comments your favorite coins that you want and subscribe to the channel, not to miss new videos. The next pair are XRP and Cardano. Ripple's cryptocurrency has been in a downward trend since mid-April, as has Bitcoin. But the first cryptocurrency is now struggling for an important level of 40,000, while XRP is just wondering if it should try to get back over $1. Why is everything so quiet? The market's in a bad mood due to Bitcoin's weakness. So the good news about how Ripple once again blew off the sag had only partial effect, supporting the price, but it didn't bring it back to growth. Of the latest, the SEC requested another 60 days for investigation. This means that the process will start around autumn, a decision will be made at the end of 2021 or maybe even postponed to the next year. There are many ways to look at this news. On the one hand, we won't get a quick acquittal, but on the other hand, no one knows what the court will decide, and once the case is delayed, we can expect no bad news in the next few months. So this opens up the prospect of the price rise, if the market conditions are favorable. XRP developers also promised smart contracts and NFT, so it would be good if those words came true. In the meantime, Stellar is doing much worse. The May correction knocked it down while taking off, and now the price is slowly slipping towards the support formed back in January this year. There's no bull news really, but there are unpleasant predictions like a 50% fall. There are 2 things that can pull Stellar out of the bear's hands and return the coin to growth. First, the previously announced big projects at the state level. If real work starts there, buyers will remember this coin. And the second is XRP. I already said this before, but Stellar often wins during the XRP growth. It's basically the same network, but with a different form of management. There is no other way to say this other than bad luck about Bitcoin Cash and Litecoin. Bitcoin Cash plummeted 70% during the current correction. About the same happened with Litecoin. It got unlucky even more because the price had just got ready to hit a new all-time high and prepared for new achievements, like $600. If you look at the history of both cryptocurrencies, in any market, they repeat the movements of Bitcoin. In fact, it's like 2 smaller Bitcoins, only one that appeared as a result of hard fork, and the other one was launched as a new cryptocurrency from scratch. Investors usually remember Bitcoin Cash and Litecoin when the top 1 cryptocurrency price seems too high, but they still want to invest further in the most understandable form of blockchain, the payment network. So I expect that the popularization of Bitcoin in Latin America will encourage other similar cryptocurrencies, such as Bitcoin Cash and Litecoin, to enter the market too. Share this video with your friends so that they get updates on the upcoming events too. Give this video a thumbs up if you found it useful. And that's all I have. Thanks for watching. It's the Coin Post channel. Subscribe and earn.